Always handle the printer with the equipment turned off and the power cable disconnected before working on any component. If you need to disconnect cables or tubes, take a photo before starting to ensure correct reconnection afterward. Always protect the environment and the printer. Wear gloves if you need to handle tubes, dampers, or any other component that contains ink, as it can be corrosive. Avoid contact between the ink and electronic components, as it may cause damage. First, unscrew and remove the metal plate. Unscrew the circulation pump from the side panel. Cut the cable ties or zip ties. Then, disconnect the power cable. Before cutting the ink tube, bend it and secure it with a zip tie to prevent ink from dripping. Now cut the ink tube carefully, as a small amount of ink may come out. Install the new ink pump, making sure it is correctly oriented. Tip: if you immerse the end of the ink tube in hot water for about 3 seconds, it will be easier to insert. Check the inlet and outlet direction of the ink tube, as shown in the video. Then reconnect the power cable. Tighten the screws to properly secure the ink pump. Arrange all the cables so everything is neat and organized. Finally, reinstall the metal plate.